Hi, this is a new product. It's called the All Access Model AA2 FS. This is designed to fit on the secondary outlet of the primary drain pan. As you can see, the bottom of the device right here is set a little bit lower, so it requires less water to fill up to raise the float switch to shut it off. It's designed for the newer pans that have a little dam built in there, or they're not as high as the old pans. And so it allows the water to drop down a little bit below the pan and fill up and make it more sensitive than current models on the market. Anyway, so you can see it, I could thread in the included adapter. I thread it in, and then I go ahead and I just put my device right on there. I glue it in place, I wire it up. The device is UL listed to 508, meets the code, and the nice part about it is when I go out on a job, I don't need to lift the float out of the device to check it. So I don't have to disturb anything. All I do is open the cover, and now I'm looking right inside and I could see the float switch right inside. So it makes it a lot easier to use. If I want to remove the float switch, I just simply take it right out of the device by lifting up, and you can see the float switch is right here. I can also raise the float switch up if I want, make it less sensitive, but normally I want it as most sensitive as possible. So now I could go ahead, I could pour any kind of cleaner I want into the device if I want to do that. Then I go ahead and I put the float switch right back in. I put the wire right back inside the side of the device, and then I go ahead and I just close the door. And I'm done. Now you can see how small this device is. It's one of the smaller ones on the market today. And the fact that it's more sensitive to detect the clogs is really what it's all about. So it fits in tight spaces, more sensitive, no need to pull the float out to disturb it. Nice part again is just open it, look inside, you can see exactly what's going on, whether you need to do anything or not. And again, this is the AA2 FS, and it should be available soon at most of your local air conditioning distributors. Thank you.